नहीं, प्रेशर नहीं है. प्रेशर तो ग्राउंड पे होता है जब खेलते हैं. But no, thank you for this opportunity. I would like to thank MCA for getting me on board and um, you know, making me the ambassador of the league. Mumbai Cricket has done so much for me, not just now, but for so many years. Because of what I am today is definitely Mumbai Cricket has played a huge role in that. So again, I would like to thank each one of them who's played a big part in my career personally. And yeah, look, and then whatever has happened with me, whatever I have achieved as a player, as a cricketer, a lot of credit goes to Mumbai Cricket as well. मुंबई टेक ओवर आई थिंक वो 1970s से था, क्योंकि if you look at the Indian team in 70s and 80s, there were 8 or 9 cricketers representing India from Mumbai. Not because there was anything else, it's just because the pure talent. The players who represented India from Mumbai, they were so good. So even now, if you look at it, there are a lot of players from Bombay, Mumbai, who are representing our country, and that has never stopped. I think Mumbai has always produced good cricketers, and eventually they play such big part in all the big tournaments that we win, whether it is in India or whether it is outside India. Whether it is an ICC tournament. Mumbai cricketers have always played a big part in it. But look, every cricketer in India are quite professional. Now these days, with so much help around, good infrastructure, good academies, all these cricketers are quite professional. So I cannot draw any comparison between Mumbai and outside cricketers, but all I can say is that Mumbai cricket has such rich culture, legacy and history about Mumbai, about cricket. So I think when you are growing up to be part of Mumbai cricket, you know that you are into something which is not going to be so easy. So you better be at your best, better give everything that you have in you, because there is no easy way of getting in there. So you try and do everything that is possible, or everything that you have within you, to make it to not the Ranji Trophy, but the lower levels like under 12s, under 14s, under 16s and all that. I think Mumbai cricketers are all disciplined cricketers. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि it is not everyone's cup of tea to come and represent Mumbai. फर्स्ट टाइम जेव्हा मी सिलेक्ट झालेलो मुंबईसाठी, मला माहिती आहे की ड्रेसिंग रूम मध्ये जेव्हा मी फर्स्ट टाइम ड्रेसिंग रूम मध्ये मी एंटर केलं, माझे पाय कापत होते, कारण की हे there were a lot of cricketers like Amol Muzumdar, Wasim Jafar, Nilesh Kulkarni, Sairaj Bhautule, Ramesh Pawar, and all these guys were sitting there. तो मैं देख रहा हूँ आसपास कि मैं कहाँ बैठूं, जगह मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. All these cricketers, we've grown up watching them. तो suddenly अगर आप अपने आप को उनके साथ देखते हो, तो you are always feeling very nervous, and you don't know what to do and how to react. And I remember there were a few guys slightly older to me. They got me in. They made me comfortable. That's only because the kind of aura these guys had, the achievement that they have had for Mumbai cricket. It is only because of that. Because you could see it in their eyes that there's so much fire in their eyes, and so much passion to represent the state, the city. It was. See, I cannot talk about the other states, because I have never played for any other state, but I can definitely talk about Mumbai, only because of the culture that was created within, Mumbai cricket. And the story will tell you, I mean, Mumbai has won 42 Ranji Trophy titles. I think the next best is somewhere around 7 or 8, if I'm not wrong. So you can see the difference. Huge. It's massive. 42 and 7 and 8. I think that shows what Mumbai cricket is all about. That is why when a youngster goes in that dressing room, you feel nervous, you feel scared, you don't know how to react. But then obviously once you get in, there are senior guys in the team who will come and help you and make you comfortable. मैं अभी अपने दोस्तों के साथ हमारे सोसाइटी में बिल्डिंग में मैं खेलता था, and I used to enjoy it. आप जब क्रिकेट खेलना चाहते हो, आप सडनली you can't start at the highest level, which is going to the academy and all of that. You start playing cricket with your friends, within the society, within the place that you live, in your backyard. You start like that, and that's how I also started. और वहीं पे मेरे को किसी ने बताया कि यार आपका गेम बहुत अच्छा है, आपको कुछ और ट्राई करना चाहिए, कहीं कोई एकेडमी में आपको जाना चाहिए, and that's how it started.
So you really were recognized in the building, in your premise.
Yeah, I was. I used to get calls कि तू मेरे बिल्डिंग के लिए आज खेल आके, क्योंकि we used to play a lot of matches आपस में, जो भी हमारे बिल्डिंग्स होते थे, so बिल्डिंग A वर्सेस बिल्डिंग B, बिल्डिंग B वर्सेस C, वैसे तो उसके प्राइज मनी होते थे, and you used to get paid to come and play. 5 रुपया 10 रुपया होता था. But it was not about that. It was about somebody recognizes your talent and asking for you to come and play for them. That was for me like, okay, अच्छा है यार, मेरे को बाहर से कोई बुला रहा है, तो I should go and play for them. So that's how it became more and more interesting for me to keep trying different things for the sport that I play. And ऐसे ही कर करके started making my way up. I like I said at the start, without MCA, I don't think I would have been sitting here and talking about my game. When you are growing up as a cricketer, you need opportunity, you need platform, and MCA gave me that platform to come and play. I would say getting the opportunity at the right time is also very important, and I got the opportunity at the right time, playing with all these stalwarts, which I just mentioned, and MCA has played a big part in it, without a doubt. Not just giving me the opportunity, but also now, whenever I need to go and train at any of the MCA grounds, they're always there to help, getting the pitch ready for me to practice, the gym, the pool, and all of that. It is so important, for any athlete, and getting to practice is not an easy thing. You have to call so many people if the ground is available or not. But MCA always made sure that the ground is available, and so that we can go and practice. And it is, I'm not just talking about me, but also all the other cricketers who have represented India, and also the Ranji Trophy cricketers. MCA has always looked after all the cricketers. No, I'm fine.
How do you think an initiative like T20 Mumbai will help young cricketers?
I think it's a massive platform. I still remember the last 2 seasons, a few of the guys went on to play for the IPL teams, and some of them are now also playing for India. So it's a platform. Like I said, you have to be very lucky to get a platform. There are a lot of good cricketers around the world, around India, who have all the talent, who have all the potential, but the right platform is not there. And that is where I feel Mumbai cricket is doing such a great thing of giving the platform to all these younger players, not just the younger players, also the guys, who are not able to make it to the Ranji Trophy team, the under-19 teams, the under-23 teams. For them also, it's such a big opportunity because, like I said, there will be so many eyeballs in when the tournament begins. A lot of people will be watching it, and if you showcase your talent, next year you might be playing for one of the IPL teams, and also, you never know, you might go on to play for India as well.
Sir, I'm going to request you, the last question का आंसर आपको मराठी मध्ये तुम्ही द्या. Now that you're leading the country and inspiring the next generation of talent, not just from Mumbai but also from India, what do you think is the mantra for success? Something that the next generation could learn from.
माझं सक्सेस मंत्र एकच आहे की जे आज झालंय ते विसरून जावा आणि फोकस करा की नेक्स्ट डे मध्ये काय आहे. कारण की तुमचं आजचा दिवस चांगलं जाणार खराब जाणार आपल्याला माहित नाही, पण देर इज इवन खराब गेलं तर देर इज ऑलवेज अ नेक्स्ट डे. म्हणजे तुम्ही फोकस करा की नेक्स्ट डे मला काय करायचंय. त्यामुळे जे आज झालंय ते विसरून जावा आणि नेक्स्ट डे साठी तयार राहा. यू हॅव टू फॉरगेट व्हॉट हॅज हॅपन्ड टुडे. इट मे साउंड very simple, but it means a lot. That you forget today and you focus on tomorrow. Only because you shouldn't lose faith in yourself. And there's always an opportunity that is waiting for you the next day. So whether you have a good day, bad day, what has happened, you can't change. So wait for the next day. Make sure you conquer that day. And you can only do that if you are 100% ready. So I feel don't lose hope, don't lose faith. Have belief in yourself that you can change things around.